0. Okay, now let us try to understand what is meant by now Roman numerals and how to write the other numbers with the help of this. Okay, now children, to understand the Roman numeration system in a better way, we have to follow some rules in this and some points we have to remember. Which are the points we have to remember now? First, in Roman numerals, we can repeat the symbol only 3 times. Second point, symbol V, we cannot repeat. We can write that symbol only 1 time. And third point, symbol V, we cannot subtract. Only we can add. These are the 3 points we have to remember. Now, which are the rules we have to follow? The first rule in the Roman numerals is addition. This is our first rule. Repetition of Roman numerals means addition. In Roman numerals, symbol I stand for 1. Read I 2 times. It means 1 plus 1, that is 2. So 2 times symbol I stands for 2. Similar way, symbol I we repeat 3 times. It means 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. So 1 I symbol we write only 1 time. For number 2, I symbol we can write 2 times. For number 3, I symbol we can repeat 3 times. And just now I told, remember point, only we can repeat till 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Understood? So this is about the I symbol. V symbol, that is stand for 5, but we cannot repeat according to the remember point. Then comes X. X also children, we can repeat 1 time, 2 times and 3 times. After that we cannot repeat. Okay, so X stand for 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30. Understood? So when we repeat the similar symbol, that is means addition. Repetition of any symbol is called as addition. This is the rule number 1. Here our rule number 2. If any smaller Roman numeral is written to the right of any greater Roman numeral, the smaller is always added to the greater. For example, if you see here, if it is X stand for 10 and V stand for 5. So this 5 is smaller than 10 and it is written to the right side of a greater Roman numeral. It means if it is 10 plus this 5 is added, it shows XV stand for number 15. XV is written as a 15. 10 plus 5, 15. It tells that any smaller Roman numeral, if it is written to the greater side, to the right side of that, then it is added to the, for the greater one. Smaller Roman number added to the greater one. Okay, let us try one more. For example, if it is written, now if you see here, 5 means, V means what? 5 plus I means 1, again I means 1. If you see the total, 5 plus 6 plus 7. So this symbol stands for number 7. So if you observe here, smaller Roman numerals is written in the right side of the greater Roman numeral. Means the smaller Roman numerals are added to the greater Roman numeral and we got the number 7. So this is 15, this is 7. Again you can see 10 plus I. 10 plus I means 1. So 10 plus 1, we get here 11. 10 plus 1, 11. Understood? So rule number 2 says any smaller Roman numerals, if it is written in the right side of the greater Roman numerals, it means it is added and we get the numbers. Okay, now let us see the third rule. Now let us see rule number 3. If a smaller Roman numeral is written to the left of a greater Roman numeral, the smaller is always subtracted from the greater one. For example, children, the number 4. We write in the Roman numeral the number 4 like this. Okay, it means bigger number is 5. Minus 1, we get the answer 4. If any smaller number is written to the left side of a greater Roman numeral, it means it is subtracted, means 5 minus 1, we write as a 4. So this symbol we write for the number 4. Let us take one more example. The next number is 9. 9 we write like this. Now if you observe here, the greater Roman numeral is 10 and the smaller Roman numeral 1 we have written in the left side of the greater Roman numeral, means 10 minus 1. This symbol full represents as a 9. Understood? It means if any smaller Roman numeral, if written to the left hand side of the greater one, then it is subtracted, that is a minus. And similar way, if smaller Roman numeral, if it is written to the right side of the greater Roman numeral, means added. Right side written smaller numeral, it is added. Left side if it is written smaller numeral, it is subtracted. These 3 rules you people have to keep in your mind. Now with the help of these 3 rules, also with the remember points, let us write 1 to 40 numbers in the Roman numeral. So let us start. Now children, let us try to understand how to write the Roman numerals. Now first only I have written the Hindu Arabic numbers. These numbers you people are knowing. So these are the Hindu Arabic number till 30 I have written. Now let us write in front of that Roman numerals how to write. Now 1. 1 means in the Roman numeral we are writing only one symbol of I. 2. We are writing 2 repeated symbol of I. 3. We are writing repeated 3 times I. Now for 4. How to write 4? 5 minus means in your left hand side we are writing I symbol. So it represents 4. Then 5 symbol we know that is only 5. And now 6 means addition. 5 plus 1 means we have to write I in the right hand side. 5 and I. 6. 5 plus 1, 6. Similar way. 5 plus 2. Repeat 2 I's. 5 plus 2, 7. Same way. 5 plus 1, 2, 3. 5 plus 3, 8. Now 9 how to write? 9 means 10 minus 1 means your left hand side you have to write I symbol. That is 9. And 10 symbol we know, that is X. Now let us write for 11. 11 means 10 plus 1. Plus 1 means that I we have to write in your right hand side. 10 plus 1 in your right hand side. 10 plus 2 means 12. 10 plus 3 means 13. Now for 14 we cannot repeat because only maximum we can repeat 3 times. Now 14 how to write? 10 and 4. 10 and 4 because now we know 4 symbol how to write. So 10 plus 4, 14. 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 6, 16. 10 plus 7, 17. 10 plus 8, 18. 10 plus 9, 19. 10 we can repeat 2 times means 20. Once we understand 1 to 10 number, then remaining numbers are very easy because only we are writing plus 10 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 3. So 1 to 10 numbers, how to write in the Roman system, that we should understand properly. Now 20 we know. Now 20 plus 1, 21. So 20 plus 1, 20 plus 2, 20 plus 3, 23. Now we cannot repeat, but we know 20 and how to write 4 symbol, 24. Then 25. Then 20 and 6 symbol, 26. Then 20 and 7 symbol, 27. Similar way, 20 and 8 symbol, 28. 20 and 9 symbol, that is 29. And 30 means we can write X symbol 3 times, that is 30. Okay, now let us write 31 to 40. For this year, you people have up to 40 Roman numeral numbers. Okay, so let us continue with that. Just now we know 30 symbol how to write. So 1, 2, 3, 3 times we are writing X, that is 30, 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30 plus 1, 31, 30 plus 2, 32, 30 plus 3, 33, 30 plus 4 symbol, 34, 30 plus 5 symbol, 35, 30 plus 6 symbol, 36, 30 plus 7 symbol, 37, 30 plus 8 symbol, 38, 30 plus 9 symbol, that is 39. And now 40 we cannot repeat that X. So 40 how to write, children? See, just now we have seen. For 40 writing, we have to write 50 minus 10. Means we will get 40. Now 50 symbol is what, children? 50 symbol is L. 50 symbol is L. And now we have to do minus. Minus means which side we have to write the symbol? Left hand side. If we are doing the plus, we are writing to the right hand side. Now left hand side we have to write minus 10. 10 stand for X. So like this 40 symbol we can write. That is XL. XL. How to write the 40 symbol, understood? 40 means 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10, 50 stand for L, and minus means we have to write in the left hand side. 10 stand for X. So XL means 40. In exercise problem, children, if they give Roman numerals like this, then they will ask to write in the Hindu Arabic system. So you have to identify the Roman numeral and you have to write in the Hindu Arabic system. So which number this is? 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30, and this is 4. 30 and this is 4. So the number is what here? 34. Understood? Means we have to identify the Roman numeral number and we have to write in the Hindu Arabic number. Or sometime they may ask to write 25 in the Roman numeral. Means they have given in the Hindu Arabic and we have to write in the Roman numeral. That time also you should know how to write 25 in the Roman numeral. 20 means X, we have to repeat 2 times, and 5 stand for V. So we have written as 25. So you can write answer in the Roman numeral. Both the way you can get the question. So you can go through your exercise problem, children. You will understand how to solve the problems. Okay. Sometimes they may ask. They will give the symbols and whether it is meaningless or meaningful. For that, remember points and rules are very important. For example, children, meaningless. It is meaningless. It is wrong because according to the rule, we cannot repeat any symbol more than 3. And this is repeated by 4 times. So it is meaningless. So like this also you should identify. Is it meaningful or meaningless? It is meaningless because according to the remember point, V cannot be repeated. We cannot repeat V. So this is also wrong. Is it meaningful or meaningless? This is also meaningless because V cannot be subtracted. V is returned to the left hand side of the greater numeral and we cannot subtract. So this is also wrong, children. Meaningful Roman numerals or meaningless. So like that also the question may get. So you should know, remember points and rules of the Roman numeral, and according to that you can get the answer. Even in the exercise you may get the match the following. One side they will give in the Hindu Arabic, one side they will give in the Roman numeral, and you have to identify the proper answer and you have to match each other. Understood? So only this much in the exercise also. Please go through the exercise, solve and practice it. So children, today we'll wind up our session here. Next time with new topic. Till then, bye bye. Stay safe. Take care.